Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're continuing to talk about subtraction, and today we're going to do a fun activity. We're going to do a subtraction quiz, which is kind of like a game that we're going to do. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you how to solve the problems before you click onto the game, which is just below the link for this video right here, okay? So let me go ahead and go to what the game is going to look like when you click on it. It's going to have these subtraction problems, these equations, and it's going to have you figure them out. So it's basically going to say 3 minus 2, for instance, is one of them. 3 minus 2 equals, and then you have to click on the right number for the right answer, okay? And so to figure that out and to work that out, instead of just looking at it and thinking about it, if you can figure it out that way, that's great, if you can do it in your head. But a way you could do it on paper is go ahead and grab a piece of paper and a pencil, crayon, or marker, and we're going to go ahead and draw this out, represent this with objects that we're going to draw, okay? So this problem is 3, so we're starting with 3. Let me go ahead and do that here, whoops. So I'm going to go ahead and get a piece of paper, my virtual paper here, and I'm going to draw 3 circles, okay? Doesn't really matter what you draw, but I'm going to just draw circles to make it easy. Okay, and then we're subtracting how many? 3 minus 2, or 3 subtract 2. So we're subtracting 2. So we're starting with 3, and then we're taking away or subtracting 2. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and just cross out 2 of them. Okay? Now, what is the answer? What does that equal? Okay? I look over here and I've crossed out 2, started with 3, crossed out 2, and I have how many left? 1 left. So my answer will be 1. All right. Now, this one says 2. Start with 2. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 down here. 1 and 2. And then we are subtracting how many? 2. Oh wow, so we're drawing 2, we're starting with 2, and then we're taking away 2. So, could you figure that in your mind? If you can't, that's no problem at all. What's actually better is to go ahead and draw it out. Okay, so we started with 2, and then we're subtracting 2. We're taking away 2. 1, 2. How many's left? Nothing. There's nothing left. Okay, so what number represents nothing? 0, right? All right. Very good. Okay, here's another one. We're starting with 5. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then how many are we subtracting? 5, and then we're subtracting 1. Okay. Let me go ahead and cross one of these out. Taking this one away. How many's left? Can you subitize that? That's right, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm looking for the 4. Oops, I hit the wrong one. I hit 3. That's not it, and it'll tell you if you hit the wrong one. So the right one is 4. So that equal sign, remember how we did the pan balance? This side equals is the same as this. So 5 minus 1, or 5 take away 1, is the same as 4. All right? So boys and girls, that link is just below the link to this video. And go ahead and click on that, and click on your name on the bottom, and have fun playing your quiz today.